So, well, it's it's at this time it's not a good morning, but let's start our grinding. So today we are going to solve like a problem. First, start the problem. So today the POTT is like let me first give all the problems which we are going to solve today. I think we have completed LIS. So now we have to move MC MCMDP matrix chain multiplication. It's a not it's a DP. Let's start complete like here I'm going to beat only two for today for this much. Now let's first understand the today's DP sorry POTT of the LeetCode. So today's the question is given that you are given an integer array nums of the even length n and the integer limit. In one move, you can replace any integer from the nums with the another integer between the 1 to limit inclusive. That means you can replace any element from 1 to in the range of 1 to limit, right? So we can change like 1 to limit of any element which is present on nums. Now the array nums is complementary if all the indices like 1, that means the 1 or the last is equal to the number. For example, okay, so here see the 1 and the 4 is equal to 5 and 2 or 3 is equal to 5. So you have to return the minimum number of moves required to make nums complementary. Like here in the first test case, we have 1, 2, 4, 3. So 1 and 3, it's 4. But 2 and 4, 2 and 4, it's like a 6. So we have to replace like a 4 from a 2, right? And it's between the range 1 to 4. That's we can replace here 2. Then it's required one move to make the nums complementary. Now it's the test case 2. Let's take 1 and 2 1, it's a 2 and 2 and 2 it's a 4. So we have to change in the both places, like we have to put 1 and 1, so it's become equal, right? I think, right? So let's see how can we build it. I solved this problem many, I think. So let me try run the test case. Let me find my pen. Forgot why I'm not doing it. Let me first grab my pen. Right, right. So we have like a 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Let's see. It's a even number, right? So it's okay. Let's suppose we have to change like that. We have to change like from here, like make a 2 and 2. So it's a 2 process, no process, 1 process like that. So here 3 process. You can get like how can we change the numbers, right? So let's see. So let's see what might be the solution. So let's look how can we build, how can we use the solution. One, two, two, and one. We have to change like here and here. Minimum index is 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. So between 2. We have to build like 1, 2, 2, 1. So and I will see FDU site. One, four, three, six. Sorry, one, three, two, 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 and one. So let's see. This is this. This much. This limit is like 4. Okay. So let's try this with the minimum. Sorry, difference array approach. We can try like huge, right? So what? How can we call this? So, but I tried. So I tried like a difference array approach. Like what I am trying to do. First, I built difference array approach. So I tried like we can make every pair like we can make any sum like from the like index the element plus one or element plus limit, right? We can make that sum in one move, but except from that sum we need to make two moves, right? So what I'm trying to do is like hint left minimum of nums nums I and nums of n minus I minus 1 and int right of maximum of nums I and nums of n minus I minus 1, right? So what can I want to say that like the left plus 1 minus 1, right? And the difference of right right plus limit plus 1. Sorry. Sorry. So we can make like that, and the difference of what like left plus right, we have to minus 1, and the difference of left plus right plus 1, we have to plus 1. So now let's see the current is n. Now let's min the, so it's a let's min the answer, and we have to return like a, so this should pass the test cases, right? Let's see. Sorry, 1e9. This should pass the test, all the test cases. I think so, but let's no. Let me put, yeah, this passed that all the test cases. Let's see this able to compile and run. Yeah, this all the past test cases. So I built a difference array, right? So we can make sum of element plus 1 or element plus limit in one move, but apart from that we have to make two moves, like we have to change a element of on the index of I on we have to change element of n minus I minus 1, right? Like what I'm trying to say, if like element on ith index we have nums I, then we can change nums I and plus 1 and nums I plus limit in one move. But apart from that, like so other thing, we can't able to make changes, right? We have to move for the second. That's why I am doing a difference area of this and the minimizing the answer. Sorry for that. So let's move the today concept pro let's move today let's move today's concept problem statement like this. I solve the LeetCode problem. We have to make a one question and I can't say 100 for let's see the today problem statement. Oh, sorry. It's on. So in the today concept problem, I able to solve the three question of division two. Like first question is very easy. So I think you are all able to solve. Let me show you my code. So what is this problem saying that you have given a n participants, which is number from 1 to n, and the score of participants is AI, right? Like AI in the contest. So you have to make a cluster cluster of a same score a student, same score a student, and the highest cluster get highest score a student cluster get the rank one, and the vice versa, likewise, right? The second highest go to second rank, and third that's it. And so in one, so they give you size and array and the x and the k. K is like you have to allow the pick up only top k ranked cluster for the eligible for the next round, right? And from the top k ranked cluster, you have to pick only the x candidate. So this asks to you the maximum number of candidate who can be selected for the second round. So what I'm doing here, I try to map out like a frequency of 100, frequency of 9, 19, and frequency of 18, and sort them according to the value of it, not the on the frequency, but the values. Like a 100. Let me show you my code. So this is my code. Like I store take the input array and I store this in a map. Uh, I store in a map, and again like take a vector of array and pairwise, and push the first element value and its frequency, and the sort in a reverse order. That means it like sort in a decreasing order, right? And just apply to C, add the maximum number, and return the answer. That's it, the second question. So now let's move the next second question. So this like more like a constructive problem, not a bit bit like it is bit easy problem that we have to given a two integer n and m. We have to construct the array whose value each value of the index should be in the range of 0 to m, right? And there at least one element, one index, the values should greater than 0, right? And also it defined like AI, the value of AI come from the its next neighbor element plus right neighbor elements, right? So and this is out of the bond, it given it's already present 0 and 0. So in this problem not a big hard, like we have to build like we can build we can build like so in this problem we can build like a 1 1 1 and 1 0 and m minus 1 m minus 1 0 again 1 1, this like pattern. So this is only allowed if we have to, that means fulfill all the condition, right? Like only allowed if so let me show you this code. This is a BTG code I just implement. If the array is not divisible, then we have to return. Let me check first. Is this going to pass or not? Yeah. So next three question like this. We have to, let me see. I write it code but not able to submit in a contest because of due to scheduling. Let's see it is submitting right now or wrong. What happened? Compiler stuck or something like. It's a given the time, really time complexity. So I think there is some value I am not able to clear out. I will give that clearly, right? So that's it for the today. And let me show you my code for this, right? Let me show you code for this value. This is a bit tough one, I can say, but that not that much tough because As you can see, we can build this if we try to come up with the test cases. You can definitely build it. That's the pure question of like understanding or writing the test cases. So that's it for the today. I'm going to build. I'm going to solve from tomorrow because today is it late. Let me show you my profile. Codeforces profile. My best ranking like 96. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching me.